You're an exporter. In hopes of making a sale, you ship items to a potential buyer free of charge as an incentive for a bulk order or just as samples so they can try your product before buying. Now it's time to fill out the commercial invoice. Do you need to include the value for these items? Watch this video to learn the answer. But first, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our Basics of Exporting videos, sharing practical advice for exporters and importers. When shipping samples, even if the value is low, the seller must declare an accurate value on the commercial invoice. If you were to sell those samples, how would you price them? The buyer may want you to state a lower value to reduce their obligation for duty payment, but that is incorrect from the perspective of the U.S. government's regulations, as well as the regulations in the buyer's country. Do make a note on the commercial invoice that there was no charge to the customer and that the value is for customs use only. Also, when shipping samples, the packaging needs to be marked to show that they're for testing and sample purposes only, not intended for resale. One case where the value stated would be nominal or zero if the sample has been compromised to ensure it will not be resold. For example, a t-shirt that has been slit up the front or back so it cannot be worn. Now that you're ready to properly send samples abroad, you're one step closer to making your first big international sale. Shipping Solutions is here to help you grow your exports every step of the way. If you liked this video, like it, share it, and make sure you're subscribed to our channel. Watch for more videos sharing real practical advice about export documentation, compliance, and the latest changes affecting exporters. You'll also find hundreds of articles about every aspect of exporting on our blog, shippingsolutions.com/blog. You'll find a link below.